Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the evaporator fan cover in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove all of the applicable shelving to more easily reach the cover. Remove the two upper bins. Uninstall the upper crisper shelving and support, being careful not to damage the glass. You can now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the old evaporator fan cover. Install the new evaporator fan cover by aligning it on the air tower. Then rethread the screws. Reposition the upper crisper shelving and support. Replace the bins. Replace any upper shelving as necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.